Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by opening the updated gate calculator and immediately pick the gate type you need. Enter inputs as 0 or 1, or paste a binary string for multiple lines. The tool accepts variable input counts. Once done, make sure to select the output mode, truth table for learning, Boolean expression to simplify logic, or simulation to visualize timing. You need not adjust global settings yet. Proceed with the current defaults so you see results fast and understand behavior. Next, configure the detailed options that change results. Toggle propagation delay and active high versus active low behavior, or group signals into multi-bit buses. Use the simplify function to convert your expression into a minimized Boolean form or display a Carnot map for manual inspection. Then run the simulation, choose step-by-step to watch transitions, or batch test many input vectors to confirm behavior across cases. As you proceed, compare the simplified output with raw simulation to verify correctness. Finally, export your results. Save the truth table, circuit diagram, or simplified Boolean expression as TXT or PNG for sharing. Once done, validate outputs by rechecking input formatting and confirming the correct gate types. Many errors come from swapped bit order or inverted logic. If things go wrong, reset the calculator, clear cache, or load the default profile to recover. If a discrepancy persists, run a known test vector and compare expected versus actual outputs to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.